Top 7 Scenic Train Journeys in Europe. You can't miss all aboard for the adventure of a lifetime. Have you ever dreamed of gliding through snow-capped mountains, rolling green hills, and charming European villages from the comfort of a train carriage? If so, you're in for a treat. Europe's railway network is a treasure trove of scenic wonders, offering some of the most breathtaking journeys on Earth. From the Swiss Alps to the Scottish Highlands, these train routes promise not just transportation, but an unforgettable experience that will leave you in awe of nature's grandeur. Ready to embark on a rail adventure that will take your breath away? In this blog post, we'll explore the top 7 scenic train journeys in Europe that you simply can't miss. From the world-famous Glacier Express in Switzerland to the lesser-known but equally stunning Transfiguration Railway in Romania, we'll guide you through these spectacular routes and provide essential tips for making the most of your journey. So sit back, relax, and let's set off on a virtual tour of Europe's most picturesque rail experiences. The Glacier Express, Switzerland's winter wonderland. Panoramic views of the Swiss Alps. The Glacier Express, often called the slowest express train in the world, offers breathtaking panoramic views of the Swiss Alps. As you journey from Zermatt to St. Moritz, you'll be treated to an ever-changing landscape of snow-capped peaks, pristine valleys, and charming alpine villages. The train's large windows and glass-ceiling observation cars ensure unobstructed views of the majestic scenery. Crossing 291 bridges and 91 tunnels. This engineering marvel traverses some of Switzerland's most challenging terrain. Sun bridges, including the iconic Landwasser Viaduct 91 tunnels, showcasing Swiss engineering prowess. Steep gradients and sharp curves, offering thrilling vistas at every turn. Gourmet dining experience on board. The Glacier Express isn't just a feast for the eyes, it's a culinary journey too. Passengers can enjoy regional specialties prepared fresh on board, seasonal menus featuring local ingredients. Best times to travel for snow-capped landscapes. For the quintessential winter wonderland experience, consider traveling during December to March, peak winter season with guaranteed snow. April, spring blooms alongside lingering snow. November, early winter charm with fewer crowds. You can plan your Glacier Express journey and book tickets directly here. The Bernina Express. From Switzerland to Italy, UNESCO. World Heritage Railway. The Bernina Express isn't just a train journey, it's a rolling museum of engineering marvels. This UNESCO World Heritage Railway showcases over a century of Swiss innovation, connecting cultures and landscapes across the Alps. The line's 55 tunnels and 196 bridges are testaments to human ingenuity, seamlessly blending into the pristine alpine environment. Dramatic ascent through the Alps. As you climb through the Swiss Alps, each turn reveals breathtaking vistas. The train winds its way up steep inclines, offering panoramic views of snow-capped peaks, lush green valleys, crystalline mountain lakes, crossing the Bernina Pass at 2,253 meters. The highlight of the journey is crossing the Bernina Pass, the highest point on the route at 2,253 meters. Here, you'll experience stunning views of the Morteratsch Glacier, the serene beauty of Lago Bianco, picturesque Italian towns. Along the route. As the train descends into Italy, charming towns dot the landscape. Tirano, the Italian terminus, welcomes travelers with its Renaissance-era architecture and vibrant piazzas. Book your Bernina Express experience and get tickets here. The Flam Railway, Norway's steep mountain journey, one of the world's steepest standard gauge railways. The Flam Railway, or Flamsbane in Norwegian, is an engineering marvel that takes passengers on a thrilling ride through Norway's stunning landscapes. As one of the world's steepest standard gauge railways, it descends an impressive 866 meters, 2,841 feet, over its 20-kilometer, 12.4-mile journey. Breathtaking fjord and waterfall views. The Flam Railway offers an unparalleled visual feast as it winds its way through the Norwegian countryside. Passengers are treated to panoramic views of the Orlandsfjord, a branch of the larger Sognefjord cascading waterfalls, including the impressive Kjosfossen waterfall, combining with a fjord cruise for a full experience. To make the most of your Flam Railway adventure, consider pairing it with a fjord cruise, which allows you to experience the dramatic landscapes from both land and water perspectives. Reserve your Flam Railway tickets here. The West Highland Line, Scottish Highlands. Adventure crossing the Glenfinnan Viaduct, Harry Potter Bridge. The West Highland Line offers one of the most breathtaking train journeys in Europe, showcasing the rugged beauty of the Scottish Highlands. A highlight of this journey is crossing the famous Glenfinnan Viaduct, a marvel of Victorian engineering featured in the Harry Potter films. Stunning views of lochs, moors, and mountains. The West Highland Line presents a constantly changing panorama of Scotland's diverse landscapes. Mirror-like lochs reflecting the sky, rolling moors covered in heather, seasonal variations in scenery. The journey offers unique experiences throughout the year. Spring. Witness the landscape come alive with wildflowers. Autumn. Marvel at the vibrant colors of changing foliage. You can book your tickets for this iconic route here. The Belgrade Bar Railway, Balkan Mountain. Explore crossing 435 bridges and 254 tunnels. The Belgrade Bar Railway is a masterpiece of engineering that offers an unforgettable journey through the heart of the Balkans. This remarkable route connects Serbia's capital, Belgrade, to the coastal town of Bar in Montenegro, traversing breathtaking landscapes. Spectacular views of the dynamic Alps as the train winds its way through the mountains. Travelers are treated to awe-inspiring vistas of the Dinaric Alps. The journey showcases snow-capped peaks, lush valleys, cultural diversity from Serbia to Montenegro. Passengers experience Serbian and Montenegrin traditions, changing architectural styles and local cuisines at station stops. Plan your journey on the Belgrade Bar Railway here. The Transfiguration Railway, Romania's Carpathian journey. Winding through the Carpathian Mountains. The Transfiguration Railway offers an unforgettable journey through Romania's stunning Carpathian Mountains. As you climb higher, the landscape transforms from lush forests to rugged alpine terrain, offering a diverse tapestry of natural beauty. Stunning views of Lake Vidjaru. One of the highlights of this scenic route is the spectacular view of Lake Vidjaru. This artificial lake, created by the Vidjaru Dam, shimmers like a jewel amidst the mountains. Passing by Ponari Castle, Dracula's fortress, the railway also takes you near Ponari Castle, often referred to as the real Dracula's castle, adding a touch of mystery and history to your journey. Book your tickets for the Transfiguration Railway here. The Golden Pass Line, Switzerland's scenic Alpine. Adventure traveling through Switzerland's most picturesque landscapes. The Golden Pass Line offers a scenic journey from Montreux to Lucerne, passing through the Swiss Alps and quaint villages. The journey provides majestic views of the Lake Geneva region, picturesque Swiss countryside, unforgettable views of alpine peaks. As the train climbs the mountains, travelers are treated to panoramic views of the Swiss Alps, making it a must-do for nature lovers and photography enthusiasts. Get your Golden Pass Line tickets here. Preparing for scenic train journeys. Booking tips and reservation advice. Book in advance for better prices and seat availability. Opt for panoramic or observation cars when available. Check if rail passes offer better value for multiple journeys. Choosing the right side of the train for best views. Research your route beforehand to determine which side of the train offers the best views. For booking rail passes and planning your European adventures, consider Eurail. Conclusion. Europe's scenic train journeys offer a unique and unforgettable way to explore the continent's diverse landscapes and cultures. From the snow-capped Swiss Alps to the rugged Scottish Highlands, each route provides a distinct experience that captures the essence of its region. Embrace the slower pace of train travel and allow yourself to be fully immersed in the breathtaking,